Okay, let's talk about one of Wall Street's weirdest products. It's called a death bond.
Right? But yes, there's a way to invest in when someone else is going to die.
You're literally buying a bond that pays out when a total stranger passes away. So how's that work?
These things don't just appear out of thin air. They start with something very, very personal.
This idea has actually been around for over a century. It started as a legal right, then became a market. And this Supreme Court ruling, this is what kicked the whole thing off, legally speaking.
So the main difference is just the health of the person selling their policy and how long they'll live.
Okay, this is where the financial machine kicks into high gear. It's a process called securitization.
It's like a 5-step assembly line. It turns someone's personal insurance into a tradable investment.
This SPV thing is super important. It basically builds a wall around the risk of these policies. Now, does this structure sound a little familiar? Because it's a lot like what we saw in 2008.
So if you're buying these, you're placing a bet. But what are the actual risks here?
There are a ton of traps. You've got legal risks, fraud, and a whole lot more.
Longevity risk is the big one. If people live longer than expected, the investor loses money.
So you can really see the trade-off. The benefits are unique, but the downsides, they're pretty serious.
And even with all the controversy, this market is huge. The numbers might actually surprise you.
Just last year, investors bought up policies with a face value of $5 billion.
But that's just a tiny piece of the pie. The potential market is around $200 billion.
And the big money investors, they want more. Almost half of them plan on buying even more.
So you've got this fundamental conflict, right? Human need on one side, financial profit on the other.
It helps seniors get cash, sure, but it also creates a system that bets against their lives.
And that's really the billion-dollar question at the center of this whole strange market.